In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process for returning a product purchased from Savana. While I don't have an active order to demonstrate with today, I'll guide you through the exact procedure using the official platform. Step 1. Access your account. Begin by navigating to the official Savana website. Log into your customer account using your registered credentials. Step 2. Locate your order. Once logged in, proceed to your account dashboard and find the My Orders or Order History section. Here, you will see a list of all your recent purchases. Step 3. Initiate the return. Find the specific order containing the item you wish to return. Next to that product, you should see an option labeled Request Return, Return Item, or something similar. Click this button to start the process. Step 4. Select a return reason. You will be prompted to select the reason for your return. Common options include wrong size, damaged or defective item, changed my mind, or not as described. Choose the reason that best fits your situation. Step 5. Provide details if required. Depending on the reason, Savana may request additional information. For instance, you might be asked to upload a clear photo of the product to document its condition. Step 6. Submit and receive instructions. After confirming your details, submit the return request. Savana will then review it and send you an email with official return instructions. This email will typically include a prepaid return shipping label and specific packaging guidelines. Step 7. Ship the item back. Securely package the item following the provided instructions. Attach the return label and drop off the package with the designated courier service. Step 8. Receive, refund, or replacement. Once Savana's warehouse receives and inspects your return, they will process your request. You will then receive your refund to the original payment method or a replacement item, according to your selected preference. And that completes the return process. It's a straightforward system designed to be managed directly from your account.